What's up, traders? Welcome to another live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We'll be doing live analysis, live trading in this session. Like every 5 days of the week, we do it. As you have seen, we do some incredible trading opportunity. When we see, we take it, we share it with you. So make sure you stick till the end to see how we are trading. This is the first week of the month. All the pairs will be extremely volatile due to high impact news release this week, NFP, and there are many other news release. Quite a few pairs including USD CAD and all the USD pairs will be very volatile. So let's begin our session. But before begin our session, make sure you smash the like button and also hit that red subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and write down on the chat section what pairs you are trading. If you have any question, I will get back to you straight away. I saw that many of you are already here. Trader X Boy, my profit be upon us. How are you doing, sir? Hope you are doing great. Yes, Trader X Boy, we are doing very well. Hopefully that you are also doing very well. Entertainment TV, good morning. Thank you. Ellen, good afternoon, sir. Thank you, Ellen. Thanks, Ellen. Okay. Alexandra, hello. Thank you, Alexandra, for joining this live session. Chadrick, good afternoon, Wizard. Thank you, Chadrick. Ali, hello, sir. How are you? I'm good, Ali. Chadrick, smash the like button. Thank you for smashing the like button. Irene, hi, coach. I just came on board. Looking forward to execute trades with you. Yep, Irene, welcome to the VIP program. Thank you for joining. Zabir, hello, sir. How are you? No problems. Alan James, sir, because I checked on GBP AUD and GBP Usdjpy. Thank you. Hi, coach. GBP USD. So I got quite a few requests. So let's see, starting with one by one. We'll go through all of them. Nothing will be left. We'll go through all of them. So let's start from the top and we'll go through one by one all the pairs that you are requesting. So let's start with first GBP USD, as I have got quite a few requests on GBP USD. Now GBP USD, as you know that this is the monthly opening and quick weekly and monthly new candle has started. So we might see little bit of consolidation, little bit of confusion about the direction, because as you have seen that from very long time I was talking about the GBP USD is going to be bearish, and you have seen, even for those who are following me, maybe you have seen from here I was posting every day. Even from here I was telling that GBP USD is dropping, and it drops. This is the monthly chart. Now at this point where GBP USD came at the bottom, okay, this is a very bottom, but it is likely to be bearish. But at this point what we have seen, this is the monthly close, and there has been a long weak candle. So what you might see that GBP USD coming down, testing around, let's say around 50% of this, and then we might see it is going up for retracement. Could be, or it could still be continue to the downside. Now let's see weekly what's happening. Now weekly as well, we saw that there is a nice gap up opening, created this angle. This week also we saw that gap up opening. So what is the difference between gap up opening and gap down? So normally what I have seen, that when you see that gap up opening is a high probability that it will continue down. When you see gap down opening, okay, that is a high probability will continue down. So there is a gap opening can give you a clue of continuation. So let's see daily time frame. Now daily, we saw a bullish candle here, green bullish. Today there is a gap opening, as I told you. Now looks like this is the 4-hour time frame. Now to be honest, this price action is still undecided. No one in the world can tell, but because it's a long-term bearish market, okay, the first thing, long-term bearish market, at the same time, you see this is short term, looks like a short term bullish kind of price action. Okay, so what is next step on GBPUSD? See, if we need to see further confirmation, like you see this is a, in case if it breaks out, we need to see a breakout candle, okay, like this. That's what it is. You know, when you are not sure about the market, stay in the sideline. See, when you are sure, let's say, let me tell you, when you know, in this live stream I discuss, you might say, okay, when do I know that market will go in the direction? When do I don't know? Let me give you a couple of examples in this chart. Let's say this candle, when this candle formed, I was doing live streaming. Okay, when you see this candle, you can be sure that 100% probability that this price will move a lot further, because after this kind of big breakout, there is a big probability of dropping. But at the same time, keep in mind that when you see this big candle, can you trade it like that? No, you can't take such a big stop loss. Then what you will be doing, you will be waiting for a retracement. Now the next candle, how it formed, look at this, there is a doji here, and this is the perfect candle to trade. I love to trade this kind of candle. It's a big move followed by a doji, and see what happened. If you traded this doji, it's a good move, right? There is another move available. See, after this, let me show you another one. You see, I think this is the new daily opening. After this red candle, you see this one, there is another opportunity. After this candle, I would love to trade again short side. Okay, this is where you will be knowing that, okay, the price is likely to go drop. But now what happened, look at this. Now after this one also, there is another opportunity. You see, now what happened, that the price is, there is a new monthly and weekly candle. This is where the price is now sitting, and it is now still undecided which way will go. It long term bearish, so bias is still bearish, but it looks like that, as I mentioned in my previous analysis last week, that it has created a reversal pattern. So to complete this reversal pattern, it needs to break to the upside. Then we might say that, okay, GBPUSD is now going for retracement, let's buy. Okay, for now I'll be waiting to see what's happening. Okay, the same thing with NZDUSD. You see, today we have opened a trade with NZDUSD. Let me tell you why I opened this NZDUSD is because you see, in the morning this red candle has been formed. This is a bearish engulfer. Okay, and then the price broke to this level of daily support. Okay, now after that, what happened? NZDUSD has created this green candle. Now after this green candle, normally the price is below this level of support. This is the daily, monthly and weekly. Once if NZDUSD managed to drop there, then it should hit our 1 to 3 profit target. Okay, on the other hand, if NZDUSD cannot make it through, it might be a false breakout. In that case, it might go up. This is one thing with NZDUSD. So all the USD pair, even AUDUSD, the same thing. Okay, if it drops down, okay, if it goes up, it's a false breakout here. Okay, this is a false, could be a false breakout. In that case, it might go up a lot. In that case, we might change our mind to buy. CADJPY, also same thing. Okay, CADJPY, we also opened a trade on CADJPY, also sell trade, also 1 to 3 risks to reward. Now let me tell you why I have opened this CADJPY, then I will go to you all the requests that you are doing. See, you guys are requesting, some of you, let's say Charles says AUDJPY, USDJPY, Rabi Good says hi Wizard, hi Assalam, okay, Jamal, thank you, USDCHF, Kushi Pereira, hi mate, how many pips you made last week? We made quite a few trades, but this week actually I was working on a strategy, a big strategy that is I'm releasing this week in my website. To be honest, I couldn't go through all the old pairs, but we made quite a few pairs. Hopefully today I will release it, because I told already my VIP members that there is a big strategy coming, and I had to work on this whole weekend. I even couldn't go through the old trades, so we made quite a few pair, CAD CHF from GBP CH. I think quite a few pairs we made. I will release it today in free Telegram channel. You can watch that. So Rabi Thompson, because I normally calculate my trading account by percentage. See, there is one important misconception that I see that many of you ask this question: how many pip we made? Okay, let me give you this answer that way. See, this is the mistake that most trader does. Is, let's say, it's very important that you understand it, otherwise you'll never be profitable in trading. Let's say you take a short trade, okay, like this. All right, so how many pip you risk here? 40 pip, right? Now if I give you a trade signal like that, okay, let's say like this, all right, so what happened? How many pip you risk here? 185 pip. Okay, now if this trade, if you win this trade, how many pip you made? You made 150 pip profit, right? Your risk is 40 pip, but by money, let's say if you risk $100 for 40 pip, okay, $100 risk for 40 pip, when you win this trade you made $375, okay, but you made $375, but you made only 150 pip, right? This one you risk the same amount. Let's say you risk the same amount of money. How much? You risk $40. Oh, pardon me, let's say $100, same amount of money. And in this one, risk to reward is 1 to 1.67. So you made how much money? $167 when you $167 when you have won this trade. How many pip you made? You made around 300 pip. Now can you answer this question, that when you win this trade you win 370 pip, but you made $167, but when you win this trade you made 150 pip, but you made $375. And you see, if you are trading, you need to understand it, otherwise I can guarantee you'll never be profitable. That is the basic thing that you need to understand. Pip doesn't matter. Matter is how much lot you are buying for a particular amount of risk. It's a simple question. If you don't understand it, you'll never. Now if I give you a trade signal with a big stop loss, big profit target, okay, then chances that at the end of the week, if I say, okay, we made 1000 pip, okay, but how many pip we risk in this 1000 pip? That's the question. Now in this 1000, you made 1000 pip, but you made maybe $100 out of 1000 pip, but someone made 50 pip, okay, out of 50 pip he made maybe $5,000. Okay, so now if he says, okay, this week I made 50 pip, he will say, oh, this week I made 1000 pip. Is there any difference? What is the difference? He says I made 50 pip, from this 50 pip I made $5,000. Okay, because I took 5 lot in one trade, let's say. Now he says, okay, I made $1,000 and now 1000 pip, but I made $100 out of 1000 pip. So which one has more weight, 1000 pip or 50 pip? You understood this point? So when you made pip, it doesn't matter how much money you made, how much percentage of your account gain. That is the question you need to ask, that how much percent you gain last week. Don't ask how many pips. You will be scammed if you ask this question, because a scammer will tell you that they made 1000, 5000 pip. Okay, pip doesn't matter. How much risk and reward you had in the trade. So these are the basic things. If you want to be profitable as a trader, you need to think about it, you need to understand it. Okay, I trade to help people. Okay, I don't trade to earn money from people. So this is the thing. Let's go back to our trade with CAD JPY. Okay, this is the CAD JPY we are running, and I sincerely believe that it will go. Now let me explain why I have taken this Gbpusd trade. See, there is a nice bearish engulfer, and if you look at the monthly, okay, this Gbpusd trade, you see there is a, let me delete all of them. You see there is a rejection. This is the monthly candle. It's a bullish candle, but at the same time it's a monthly close, so we might see a retracement at least to this level. Okay, this is the monthly resistance, and I sincerely believe that it will come down for a strong retracement. So with that being said, if we go to the daily, this level, we saw that there is a double top has been formed. You see there is a double top formation, and we should see further drop on this level. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, that is where we see that Gbpusd should come to this level of support, and our profit target is just above this level. If you see the our profit target is above this level, and we have 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So let's see how it works out. We'll definitely discuss about it. So let's see what request I have. Shafali, hi, Eid Mubarak. Shafali, thank you. Eid Mubarak. Keaton, good afternoon, sir. Thank you. Udiana, Jeremy, good day, sir. Udiana, thank you. Rabi, Rubel, hi, sir. Thank you, Rubel. So let's see. Lizard King, hi, Wizard. Thank you. ARV1, hello Nizam, happy to be here. Thank you, ARV. Samuel, hi sir, can I get a coupon? Yep, Samuel, of course you will get. I'll after the at the end of the session, text me or go to my website, use the live chat. We'll talk about it. The risk is not pip, should be percentage of. Yep, John said the correct thing. The risk is not the pip, is the percentage of the account that you, this is the main thing that you need to understand if you wanna be profitable as a trader. So I got a request from Charles to analyze Usdjpy. So let's see Usdjpy, what's happening with this one here. Now Usdjpy, you see one important thing is that most of the pair just today opened, the monthly, weekly, daily, all the candle, and it is the direction is still not clear. Okay, you see, since it opens, it is going in a sideway, pure sideway. But the way the market opens, Usdjpy, let's see the higher time frame. Now we need to decide based on higher time frame. Okay, now Usdjpy, the market structure looks still bearish. Okay, it looks bearish, but what we might see today, at some point, we might see a test of this 20 period moving average, and then dropping to the downside. Okay, so this is the daily. If you go to the 4-hour, and let me draw the trend line on the 20 period moving average, a line. So this is where there is a daily 20 period moving average, right? If you go to the 4-hour, see where in the same place there is a 4-hour 20 period moving average. Okay, so what I think that if today Usdjpy goes up, okay, I think it's high probability it will go up, test this one, this 20 period moving average, and also test this important level of resistance on the 4-hour. Okay, then we might see that Usdjpy is pushing down again from here. Okay, let me draw it. We could see a push down. Okay, or yeah, we could see a push down, because it's still, as I told you, it's still not clear which way the market will be heading. From the daily, what I see that Usdjpy is trying to create a bearish pattern. Okay, so what we might see on the daily that finally Usdjpy will come down here. Okay, maybe creating a a breakout like that, and then it might start to push up. So far the bias is bearish, but it's still not clear the direction. So CAD CHF have request CAD CHF. So let's see. Jamal says Eid Mubarak is our tomorrow. Yeah, Jamal, Eid Mubarak. PUNF, hi, Wizard, Usdjpy, please. Okay, so let's see Usdjpy. Let's find out what's happening. USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY. You see, this is the trade that I sent to our VIP members, as well as you guys also have seen a trade on the live streaming last week, and so it was a winning trade, right? You have seen that. If you haven't seen it, you can watch that. Now it was 1 to 2 risk to reward, but my trade is 1 to 3. I didn't take 1 to 2 risk to reward. I said that I'm not gonna take profit until I get a full profit, or I will not take a profit. So that's what I do. I don't take profit until I get a full. So today the price went to the negative and then came to the positive. Let it move until I find my full profit. I'm not gonna take. This is my condition. So now dollar yen, as per the plan, it did the same. Okay, the price went above, so went above, and then what we saw, that the price created a bearish engulfer. Now what happened, that, see, I'm a bit distracted, 1 second. So first let's see the bigger picture, as I mentioned in quite a few of my analysis all the time. So dollar yen over the long term, it's a monthly time frame. Monthly is bullish, as I told you, but today, as the new monthly open, we saw a retracement to the upside, but I think that it will come for a deeper retracement, as I told you in previous analysis, also weekly as well. I think that it will come for a deeper retracement. Daily, okay, daily, after this red candle today, the price went above to this zone, and we saw that again pushing to the down by the sellers, and that is what exactly I have predicted in all my analysis, in all my trade videos. So let's see what happened. Now 4 hour, last 4 hour candle, what you saw, this is a bearish engulfer here. Okay, there is a bearish engulfer, red candle to the upside, red candle to the downside. So let's see now how we can trade this one. At this point, if you are not trading, if you are on the trade, the last one, if you are in our VIP channel, if you are on the trade, if you are still holding, I will hold it. You might be able to hold, but if you are not trading, I will say that dollar yen is now, there is no entry on it. But if in case dollar yen managed to come to this level of support, okay, so there is a trend line. That's what I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast. So if it managed to come to this level of support, okay, let's see here. So if it managed to break down somewhere here around, okay, it will break. If it breaks down somewhere here, then could be a bullish pattern. At this point, we don't know. It even might create a bullish pattern from here, okay, and then will start to rise, because as I told you, this is the monthly. Today is the monthly opening, new opening. So we need to see a little time. We need to give the market to settle a little bit. When there is a new monthly candle, new weekly candle, new daily candle, there is some time needs the price to settle, to create a new direction in the market. Because when you see that there is a monthly close, there could be a new trend has started, okay, in most cases. Why? Let me show you the monthly. Let me show you some pairs that let's say Gbpusd. Okay, if you go to the monthly, all right, except this these 2 months, if you look at the past, see, what do I mean by, let's say this green candle, okay, big green candle. As soon as monthly close, whole month was bullish. As soon as monthly close, the new one started to fall down, and the whole just broke the previous month's high and then started to reverse. So this one, okay, as it's a bearish, like whole month bullish, next month bearish, and again in the next month the price went down, again went above, and following month again bearish. So what happened, the monthly opening and closing will give you a completely new direction, could give you. That's why as soon as the monthly open, we need to see a little bit. That's why we need to see how the price action is creating. Now let's go to the gold. Okay, gold, what we are seeing at this point, let's go to the gold. Now gold looks like it will break down. Okay, it's a very strongly bearish price action. Okay, gold is looking like that it will break down. Okay, as you have seen that the price basically broke this level of resistance completely. It's a false breakout. All the time gold does it, created a false breakout, and then we see that significantly gold drop. Now let's see daily. Okay, so what I'll be doing, if gold managed to break this daily level of support, you see there is a long daily doji here, long daily candle. If it managed to break, then let's see weekly. Okay, we saw that there is a weekly support as well. I need to see it clearly broken, and then if I see that like this, a big breakout to the downside followed by a slow retracement, then I'll sell again gold. Okay, so this is the situation, but to me it looks like now that gold will continue to drop. Okay, so let's see what happened. As soon as I'll see any update, I'll let you know. But after the monthly, this is the monthly candle, right? After the monthly close, we saw that the next one is started to pushing down. But one thing you see in the monthly, the gold has created a new lower low. So when you see new lower low, I think that it will now continue to drop to this level. Okay, to this level. It's a there will be a bounce, no doubt about it, from 1854. Okay, so 1854, if you are trading on the lower time frame, gold could give you a nice buy opportunity. And I think that this is what I normally previously long ago told, that there is an imbalance here, and looks like that the gold is doing the same, that it is trying to overcome that imbalance. Okay, so if you go to the weekly, that's the imbalance. And you know why I'm thinking that gold will have a bounce from the 1852 is because this is what you need to see. You see there is a long red doji here, okay, in this green move, and this is the monthly. And when you see this kind of one single candle in the middle, okay, this is a high liquidity zone, and the price, if in case the price come with a big candle on the lower time frame, we might see a bounce from here. Primarily doesn't mean that it will start to move up here, but what is the final destination if gold continues to fall? Let me tell you, the final destination could be this. See, there is a long-term trend line here. This is the weekly chart, you see, and if I draw the resistance line on the weekly, is like that. Okay, now it could be the gold could be coming in here, okay, this week, next week, or this month, somewhere here. Okay, and then it will create a bullish pattern, looks like that. Okay, in that case, what gold will do, we will test this resistance on the weekly, resistance. Okay, will be tested as a support, and also this support, this trend line. Okay, this trend line will be tested as a support, and I think that gold will do the same here. It will come, you see, if you look at this trend line, you see there is a big long wick candle and the reverse, and I have created a separate video on this one also. You can watch that. There is a big long wick candle and the reverse. There is a big long wick candle reverse. There is a big long wick candle reverse. So what I think that gold will do the same. Will come here like that. Will create a long wick candle and then will reverse. So with that sense that gold is likely to drop. Looks like that the price action is created like this. Now let's go to the 4 hour after the daily. Now 4 hour, you see gold, there's a lot of head and shoulder. There's one inverted one here. Okay, it didn't work, it went above, and from here again broke down. Now at this point, gold might create a head and shoulder again here. Okay, after this red candle, maybe from this support we might see a bounce and we'll create a green candle and then we'll drop. Okay, completing this head and shoulder pattern. So then what is my approach? I will completely wait for the gold to have a primary bounce after this from this support. When I will see that weaker bounce to the upside, that means the sellers is strong, then after that bounce I will be selling gold, okay, to this level. As you have seen, this is the level that we are waiting for, around 1850 to 53, but looks like that it will drop. Let's see on the 15 minutes time frame. If you are trading on the lower time frame, what we see, that you see gold is creating a nice bearish price action. It's a nice bearish price action. So you see it is respecting this 20 period moving average all the time, even in the 15 minutes. So if it goes up again, test this 20 period moving average on the 15 minutes as well, it could be a nice selling opportunity for gold. So gold bearish. Let's see what happened next. Okay, so let's find out what I have on the chat. Mary, good evening sir. USD thank you. Yep, we'll do that. Let's see USD but let me see what else in the chat. Chindangular gold, please. We have Chindi, we have discussed, and ZD and okay. Yeah, Jamal, there was a stop loss hit. John says waiting on the big news on AUD tomorrow. Yeah, there could be a big movement in the AUD. Yeah, that's a good one, that there will be a big news release tomorrow. Zaber, what about gold sir? So we discussed gold. Keaton, I'm very happy sir, cause I also heard Gbpusd, like the way you analyze. Thanks from information, really grasping you from free analysis. Much love from Uganda. Thank you, Keaton. Thank you for your mentioning. Students Academy, gold. So we have seen gold, Student Academy, we have seen a lot. So I see that Asher, great sir, gold. Yeah, we have seen Mary. So what moving average are you using, Mary? I'm using 20 period and 10 period moving average. So so we have quite a few requests. Buma said hi sir. Thank you Buma. Ellen, thank you. Cool. Yes, lot size matters. Yep. Good. That's absolutely. Eurocat, please. Alexandra, Richard, Gbpusd, please. So let's see some hot currency pairs. Gbpusd. Now Gbpusd. Let's see. Looks like that Gbpusd getting little bit of a stronger. Maybe it will come for a deeper retracement. You see Gbpusd, that's what I told in my weekly forex forecast. If we could see a gap opening, could see a rise. Now at this point, this is daily chart on Gbpusd, still bullish, but I think that it will come down for a deeper retracement. Let's see 4 hour, and it is. Let me show you, see the bigger picture. First of all, monthly. So what do you see monthly? As I told you, Gbpusd long term is bullish. Why? If you see this one is a bullish candle. Quite a few times I told you about this, that there is a strong bullish candle. There is a false breakout down, false breakout up. It's a strong bullish candle followed by another bullish candle. This is another bullish candle. You know, how do you might be asking, okay, how do you know that it's a bullish candle? Well, let me tell you, this is a very healthy candle. When you see a candle like that, let's say it's a green one, that's how you'll read the candlestick pattern. That's how you need to know how the candle is bullish or bearish. Okay, so if you see a long green candle like that, almost no wick at the bottom, and there is a long wick, okay, it's a healthy bullish. Okay, why it is a healthy bullish? Let me draw an unhealthy bullish. Let's say if you see a candle like that, okay, like this is an unhealthy bullish. You might say, well, it is a more green candle, it should be healthy bullish. Now when you see this kind of candle hitting an important level, could be support resistance with a big candle, high probability that there will be a reversal. That could be a false breakout. But when you see this kind of candle, it's a healthy bullish. Why? The definition of a healthy market is when the market moves, retrace, moves, retrace. That is the definition of a healthy market. Now why this candle is healthy? Because there has been a movement, okay, and then this week basically represent that there has been a retracement. So when you see a market move retraced enough, that creates a candle with a long wick at the top and body at the bottom. So when you see a market move and retraced, that is where the healthy market, that means that from here we might see another impulse to the upside. So with that being said, this is the monthly healthy candle move retracement. Now from here we can expect another move. This is the monthly, but then you know that this is a bullish, then how can you consider a move? You see where exactly the monthly and opening here. So it doesn't mean that it will start to move from here on the monthly. We might see a little down retracement and then pushing up. So that's why I will not sell Gbpusd. It's a long-term bullish, but keep in mind that the back of the mind I have that Gbpusd will go up. So I will be only waiting for a buy setup. So now let's see weekly. Okay, weekly, you saw that these are the confirmation. That's why you'll understand the price section. See, price section is the purely pure. Okay, you don't need anything else. Now if you can combine price action with news release or some other things, that can be incredible. And I have a clear strategy. Okay, I have developed a strategy. That's why this week I was extremely busy. I told my VIP members I have developed a strategy which will give you a combination of price action with the news release. Okay, it's an insane profitable strategy. I will be I'm preparing the strategy, almost ready, and I will be uploading on my website. Will give access to the lifetime people. Now I know that many of you deserve this strategy. Okay, so I have a way to do it for you. If you I will put if you want to join the lifetime access plan, you are always welcome. If some of you cannot join, I have an option. There is a link in the description of this video in free Telegram channel. Go there. There is a way that you can access this lifetime plan without any pay. There is an option. Okay, some of you may be able to be qualified for that. Check out if you are qualified for this. So now let me continue this one. Why this Gbpusd? Where is the best place to buy and hold for a long term? See, what I think that Gbpusd will do is this. See, you see there is a long wick on the doji. There is a long wick. There is a pattern here. What is the pattern? See, it has created a higher low. So that means this is weekly, right? So what it could do this week, that the price will come down, will test this trend line, and this price is likely to continue along this channel. Okay, along this channel, it will continue along this channel. That means that likely, not 100% guaranteed, that means that Gbpusd could drop to this level, create a bullish pattern on the lower time frame, and then will continue to go up. So if you go to the daily time frame, that is where is the high probability. If Gbpusd manage to come down here, okay, on the daily or on the lower time frame, as soon as it will come down here, okay, I'm telling you, as soon as GBP, if in case it comes down here, without any question, without any price action, I will buy Gbpusd from here, keeping stop loss here. You know, this is a very, very, very high probability trade setup, and I will target at least 1 to up to here. Okay, I will keep it like the one that I'm holding, dollar yen. I told you that. I told my VIP members that maybe you haven't seen, I have a separate VIP session on Saturday with the VIP members, that I'm gonna hold dollar yen no matter what. Okay, you see the price now dropping. I believe that I will get this 1 to 3, and I think that some of my VIP members is still holding the trade. Okay, this is the trading psychology that you need to develop, not the peep. And I want to show you one important thing, guys and girls. Is very, very important. Okay, see, I have a screenshot that is from one of my student. I'm not gonna tell, I can't tell his name, but I want to show it for your educational purpose. It's very, very important. Don't think about the pip, think about this. Can you pay attention to this chart? Okay, this is very, very important that you understand. This is why people lose money, not because they don't understand trading, not because they don't understand the candlestick pattern, because of this. Okay, and you need to understand why this happened. Okay, this is why I always teach you something different than trading. Okay, sometimes I teach you how to rewire your brain. Sometimes I teach you how to meditate. Sometimes I teach you how to raise your vibration. Why? Because you see, even in my own experience, I have seen that if I sit down for a long time on my trading desk, I started to make bad decisions. That's why I focus on trading at certain period of time, and then I jump out to create YouTube videos, or maybe talking to you. Pound says he's still holding Usdjpy. Well done, Pound. So this is what, see, look at the profits, okay, and look at the losses. 10,000 on Gbpusd, 5,000 on gold, and this is extremely over. And this all are running trade, live trade. And my student, I really feel sorry for him. Okay, he was saying that I need to help him, but this is not my signal that he took it by himself. But what can I do? This is what is important. It's not, see, everyone will make money. Okay, every one of you can become an independent trader if you know how to do the proper risk management, how to manage risk. See, the reason here is over trading without random buying or selling. This will not give you any profit except losing. So make sure you learn these things. You see, GBP, dollar yen, if it see dollar yen, after this, you see there is a bearish engulfer. That means that high probability that dollar yen will continue to drop, and that is what I exactly told in my weekly forex forecast, that the price will first go up and then will come down, and hopefully it will do like that. And you have probably have seen my last live session that I have given a trade signal here with 1 to 2. The reason I hold it 1 to 3 and I gave in my live session 1 to 2 is because I know that the price will come on the Friday, and because it's a live session, you may not find an update from me, so that I gave you can get your profit on the night. You got it. But when I am managing the trade with my VIP members, I want to get the bigger one. Okay, so that is trading psychology, that if I lose couple of trade, doesn't matter. Okay, and ZUSD trade that we have taken now, it is coming on profit today. Okay, and I think that, see, this one also I have 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and that's what I sent to my VIP members. And if it continues to go down, it should go to hit our profit target. It may go up and hit our stop loss, doesn't matter. But and ZUSD and also CAD JPY, look at the CAD JPY trade that we have taken from here. Let me show you. This is where we have entered the trade. I think from here, stop loss here. Okay, we might see a bounce from here. I might bring this profit target up. Okay, I'll send, because there is a strong level of monthly support here. Okay, there is a monthly support. I didn't see that. My profit target is a bit bigger, so I might send my VIP members to bring the profit target above, so that we can safely close this one. So if you want to join my program, link in the description, or if you want to join without anything, also there is option. Go to my free Telegram channel, also link in the description, and then you see there how you can join for free. Okay, there is option. I keep it option, but you need to be qualified for this. That's the thing. So let's see now what else. Khalid says hi. Thank you, Khalid. We are busy with Eid. Yes, Khalid, I know you are busy with Eid. I still hold Usdjpy. Thank you, Khalid. John says, I want those signals so I can trade the opposite. No problems. John, that's good idea. Alan says still running profit on Gbpusd. Very good, Alan. Well done. Alan says still running profit on NZUSD. Well done, Alan. Very good. So Liwa, how about AUD CHF? Can you analyze? Yeah, we'll do AUD CHF as well. I just want to say thank you, not just for doing this live streaming with us, but for also sharing all the knowledge. You are truly an inspiration. Thank you, Entertainment TV. That's my pleasure that I can inspire you, maybe some of more of you, and that's why I feel so grateful. I'll tell you something very thing. Sometimes I go out of that subject of trading, and some of you may be annoyed, I don't know, but the reason is because it's not all about trading. There is a lot of things that I know that many of you are maybe more knowledgeable than me, but I have some rare experience in my life, so I just want to share sometime with you something that really will be beneficial to you. It's an honest intention to engage with you, to share my idea. One thing I will tell you, I work, believe it or not, I work almost 16 to 18 hours in a day, but I don't feel even tired. Where this energy come from gratitude. Okay, gratitude. Always keep in mind, I rewired my brain, okay, day after day after day. Gratitude is very powerful. Most people even work maybe 6 to 7 hours and then feel very tired. The reason is because of thinking. Thinking takes a huge energy from us, what you are thinking. So what I did is, day after day after day, I write down daily. I kept a gratitude journal, okay, and then every day I write down what things going on right in my life, because every one of us living in the society, always things will go wrong. It is applicable in trading 100%. Okay, 100% it is applicable in trading. That what I'm saying. See, what you are paying attention to will determine which direction your life will go. So what I did is, day after day, I every day wake up morning, I write down why I am grateful for. Even it could be the beautiful morning, birds singing outside my house, I'm feeling good about it. I write down thank you. So that's the gratitude. When you do it over and over again every day, then what will happen? Automatically your brain will start to pay attention to the things that is going right. And if you see the successful people, the great successful people, the focus attention, where there is a book called Reality Transurfing, written by quantum physicist Vladimir Zeland. Reality Transurfing, it's a great book. If you understand this concept, you can create your own reality. Any way you can change your reality. So in this book he says that you create your reality by paying attention. So wherever you are paying attention, it's forming your reality. So if you pay attention to the things going wrong, then you create the reality that's going wrong. But when you pay attention to the right, like the things going right, even 10 things going wrong, one thing's going right, if you pay attention to that, you create your positive reality. Okay, so that's how. So gratitude is very powerful, and that thing's fully applicable in your trading. See, when you look at trading chart, let's say in your trading account, you saw that there are 3 loser, 1 winner. What you are looking at, and your vibration will change. When you look at the loser, you will feel bad about yourself. Why am I doing this? What's the point of doing this? You feel like quitting, or you sabotage. Self-sabotaging is a very problem for all of us. So you sabotage, you say, okay, like a big risk, bad trade. So the reality creates like that. But when you have like one winning trade, if you pay attention, oh, that's a winning trade. Let's see why it is winning. I'm winning. Oh, I'm doing very well. I'm a good trader. So started to create a positive, impression about yourself, and then you started to do something positive. So it's your self-image. So that's why it is important that you pay attention to the positive things. You always be grateful for everything you have. Even it's a religious concept. In every religion it is said that the God, the universe always love praise. The universe love praise. The universe always want you say thank you, and then you get what you want in your life. It's a clear concept. No one can debate in any ground about it. Let's say a person who doesn't believe in it also cannot argue about it. It's a gratitude. It's a saying thank you for what you have. Even if you don't have anything, there is something you have. So that's why how you can create good trading habit, good life, be successful in your life. Even by listening to this you feel annoyed, but I know that everyone loves it, but I'm telling you that this is the main thing that you need to understand. Then you can avoid bad trading habit and you can become successful as a trader. So let's begin with our trading lesson. So do I miss all this chance to enter? No worries, Khalid. It's a Eid. Enjoy the Eid. Let the trade sometime miss. You need to miss some trade sometime. That's okay. Which one you decided? No worries, Khalid. Don't worry. During the Eid, sometime you need to miss. When you miss, let it miss. Francisco Perni, hello. Thought Euro USD. Do you think it could retrace up to 1.07? Okay, so let's find out Euro USD. I had a question about Euro USD as I was going through all of them. Okay, I had a request before for USD CHF. Sorry about that. I didn't look at it. Let's see first USD CHF. Then we'll look at Euro dollar. So first of all, USD CHF monthly. Okay, now as I told you that USD CHF is a very, very strongly bullish market. Okay, and after this bullish market, you see there is a little retracement. Now at this point I'm more interested to look at monthly more, because the reason is there is a monthly resistance here. You see there is a monthly resistance. Okay, and we might see some kind of drama here. We might see going up to this monthly resistance and coming back. So that's why at this point a bit cautious about trading any instrument. Okay, because what might see that it's going up, breaking the monthly resistance and coming back for retracement and then going up like that. Okay, so let's see on the daily. Okay, so daily looks like still bullish. Okay, but if today's candle cannot break this level, then we might need to see a little bit of backward movement. So now let's see 4 hour. Okay, so the only thing I can tell over the long term, it's a bullish market. Okay, it's a bullish market. So let's consider it's still bullish, because until this market structure is broken, we can't say that it's a bearish. It's still maintaining a bullish market, means still USD is stronger. Okay, that's what I can say, that still bullish until it breaks down from here. Okay, so this is what with USD CHF. Kuy said thank you, Kuy, for joining. Kakulan joined. Thank you, Kakulan. I'm too late today. That's okay. We all late at some point. LC Boss says thank you for the advice. No problem, LC Boss. You know better than me, but just I wanna be with you with this. Rabbi Good, would you say that there is a possible head and shoulder forming on daily Euro CHF? So let's see Euro CHF, what's happening. Then we'll go to other pairs as well. Euro CHF, let's find out on the daily first of all. Okay, so daily, see Euro CHF, let me see monthly first. I need to see the bigger picture. So monthly bigger picture is bearish, as I told you. Now let's find out. This is the monthly, right? After opening we saw a little bit of drop, but let's see weekly, then I'll tell you what I think. Weekly, looks like from here it create a bearish candle. Okay, so what we might see this week, that Euro CHF is going up, maybe testing this trend line and then coming down. Okay, so let me draw this level here for Euro CHF. Let me draw this. So let's see on the daily time frame. Now daily, what we have seen, you see this is the daily candle. The price came here, retraced to the upside. So let me go to the 4 hour, then I can tell you what might happen. Okay, so what I think that Euro CHF could do is this one. You see there is a, let me draw this level here. You see there is a reversal pattern here. There is a big let me show you, there is a big double top here, right, and then broke down. So this is, I always teach you that when you see a double top has been formed, when you see that a double top, let me show you, when you see a double top has been formed, okay, then what we might see that the price will go up, test this previous support as a resistance, okay, and then will come down. So this is the normal phenomena in the market. This is likely to happen, but at this point you see this double top, this support of this double top has not been tested with Euro CHF. There is a support here, you see, and Euro CHF, I think that this week will go up to this level, test this previous support as a resistance here, and then will come down. So if Euro CHF, this is the, as I told you, if Euro CHF managed to go there, then I will open a sell entry based on the price action in this zone. I think that this is what it will do. Okay, we'll test this one here and will come down from here. So if we see, this is on the daily, this is what it is. Okay, so I think that Euro CHF will do like this. So we'll be waiting for this movement after this bullish engulfer. So this is what it is with Euro CHF. So let's see Euro GBP. Okay, today we have seen a candle here on Euro GBP because we are looking at euro, and I think that Euro GBP, what it will do, you see on the last 4 hour we have seen a long rejection, right? I think that what Euro GBP will do is it will go up along this zone, okay, along this, let's say here around this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour time frame, and we might see another rejection from here. Okay, so Euro GBP, this is the two situation with Euro CHF and Euro GBP. When you see a long wick candle like that, you see that this is what happened in most cases. The price goes up around 50% of this week and then drop. So let's find out what other request. Alan James, thank you a lot of thanks a lot for everything, sir. You are different from others. Alan, thank you for this. Bipan says BTC. So okay, we'll look at BTC as well. Everyone be blessed by the divine. Thank you, Avier. GBP AUD. Yep, we'll do GBP AUD. I see Jabir says US 30, please. Yes, we'll do US 30. Yeah, we have another GBP AUD request. Khalid says, okay, let some miss. Yeah, Khalid, let some miss, no problem. Be comfortable in missing, then you can make money out of the market. Rabi, good, thank you, Rabi. Checkmate, chess, hi sir. Hello, checkmate, Euro cat. Okay, we'll do Alexandra. So we did some Euro pairs. So Euro pairs almost behaving in the similar way. Euro cat, after the daily, this is the 4 hour, we saw that some bullish candle is creating because CAD is getting weaker. As a result, Euro CAD is getting stronger. So let's see GBP AUD, and then we'll go to the BTC USD. Let's see GBP AUD. Okay, starting with monthly. Okay, so one important thing with GBP AUD is that, see, this is what I told, I think, in the last session. This is the monthly candle close, right? Monthly candle close here, and let me draw a rectangle here. We saw that there is a long wick at the top in this monthly candle. Okay, so there is a long wick at the top. And in this monthly candle, you see that this current month, as soon as the market opens, the price went around 50% of this week, and we saw that a little bit of downtrend. Okay, so why am I saying this? The reason is there is a possibility that this is what happened. There is a possibility that the price will drop from here. Okay, and if it drops, you might see something like this on the monthly. Okay, it's a big move, could be. Let's see weekly. Okay, on the weekly, now different picture on the weekly. Weekly, what we have seen, see this candle is a bullish engulfer. Cross the low, cross the high. Okay, so two contradictory information. Monthly looks like bearish, weekly bullish. Then what we will be doing? Go to the daily. Okay, now on the daily, we saw that there is a big bullish candle. Now then what I will be doing is, first thing, I want to see that this zone is, if it want to be bullish, then this zone needs to be broken and needs to close above this level. Okay, needs to close above this level, because there is a, as you see, this is the monthly high. Okay, this is the monthly high, and if the price managed to break this level, then I will say that GBP AUD change its trend, and we might see that GBP AUD is coming to this level to test. Okay, and which is a high probability, one probability. Okay, there are two probability, as I told you. If I'm telling again, if GBP AUD managed, let me draw this exact level. If GBP AUD managed to break this 1.7894 and closed above, then we might say that GBP AUD is heading to the upside to test this level. Okay, there is a big move will be. On the other hand, if we see that the price broke down with a long red candle, okay, then I could say that it will come back to this level of, again, to the downside. Okay, it will continue its downtrend. So at this point, this is daily chart. At this point, let's see, go to the 4-hour time frame. At this point, I'm not gonna trade GBP AUD either before breaking this level, okay, or coming down again. But it could do that, as I told you, it could come here. There is a 4-hour candle, because there is a big double bottom form, broke to the upside, so it might come down here, as I told you, in Euro AUD in my weekly Forex forecast, and then could rise up from here. Okay, so this could be one possible scenario. So all this situation will consider, but at this point from here, there is no trade on GBP AUD. Now let's find out BTC USD. What's happening? BTC USD. Okay, so BTC, this is the monthly close and weekly close. Now let me see what happened. Okay, this monthly candle closed almost passing, couple of months closed, and so this is a kind of support breakout on BTC USD, but it doesn't mean that it will continue to drop. Okay, but what it might do, it will move in this narrow range. Okay, so what it might do, now the previous months there was a strong bearish pattern. This month it might go up, okay, like that. So I think that BTC USD will continue to squeeze in this narrow pattern before creating a breakout to the downside or breakout to the upside. Okay, so with that being said, let's see on the weekly. Now weekly, BTC USD has created a continuously a bearish pattern, followed by the last week also a bearish candle. But if in case, if it breaks down from this support, then what will happen? There is a long wick candle, you saw, like this long wick candle. So if when I also invest a lot of Bitcoin. So what I will do with our VIP members is, if in case BTC USD breakdown and create a long wick candle like that, that's a false breakout. Then I will be buying BTC USD, not now, because it's now in a very, very narrow range. So I'm telling again, if in case BTC USD, this is the weekly breakdown, create maybe a new lower low and then closed with a long wick candle like that, then I will be buying BTC USD. Then I could say that BTC USD will continue to rise up maybe to this level again. Okay, so with that being said, let's go to the daily, what kind of pattern it is creating with BTC USD. Now daily, you see there is a channel, the price is moving along down, this is a channel. Okay, and I think that it might continue along this channel to the downside and then finally will break out like that, creating a false breakout, and then will rise up. So when it will break out of this channel to the downside and create a false breakout to the upside, that is where I will be buying BTC USD. Okay, so this is the situation with BTC USD. Now let's find out what other pairs, what else we need to consider. Slim3 says, good morning sir, I'm late. No problem Slim3, we all are late at some point. ARB says, sir, you are great. You guys and girls also great. Thank you for all of you for all this support that you are putting in this channel, and I really appreciate that you guys and girls managing the risk all the time. Keep in mind that always manage your risk when you are trading. Gold, we discussed gold, we will discuss again. Alan James, GBP AUD we discussed already. Eurusd CHF also we discussed. If you missed some of them, then you can go back when we will come back again when we will finish the session. So let's find out. Tong Teddy said, how about gold sir? So gold, as I told you, it looks like it is dropping, and it looks like it is doing as it is. Looks like gold breaking the support. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, you see this is what it is like. Market may change at any point. Okay, last week I provided analysis that gold may be creating a reversal pattern. Okay, but this week what do you see, that gold is now breaking. So that's what it is. Even it could create a false breakout and then continue to go up. So that's why a trader cannot say that next month what will happen, next day what will happen. The traders immediately look at the price action and then decide that what do I do now. What the price action says, the price action says bull, then buy. Okay, and then when we see that, okay, price action says buy, I bought, now what? Now price is going in my direction. Okay, then I hold the trade, for a very, very long period of time. Okay, so that is what it is. That is what is being a trader. Okay, so let's see US 100, what it is doing, how we can see the trading opportunity on US 100. Okay, so US 100, the same thing, it is breaking the support level. Now you see this is a very, very important level of support here. Okay, all right, so this is support. Now if in case US 100 closed here breaking this level of support, then a pending order in this zone could be a good trading opportunity, keeping stop loss above. But what it might do, I'm telling you what it might do, because it's a very, very strong support. You see there is nothing on the left. So what it might do, it might break the level of support and then will go up. Okay, hunt the stop loss and then will come back. So the best way to trade US 100, I will say that wait for a false breakout in case and then trade. Okay, if it creates a false breakout, go up, create a false breakout. There is a chance of creating a false breakout. The reason is, you see, when it was breaking this level of support, it has created a M pattern here. You see there is a double top, or M pattern, whatever you want to say. There is a double top, now broke down, right? So what it might do, it will go up again, create a false breakout, and then will test this previous support as a resistance. So let me explain that concept again, who joined newly. So when you see that an instrument created a double top breakdown, in most cases you will see that the price is going up, test this previous support as a resistance and then continue. So here what you saw, you see the price first of all it created a double top, right, broke down, now little retracement and again breaking down, right. So in this breakdown what we might see that the price again going up, test this previous support here as a resistance and then we'll continue. So this is where if in case this happened, then I will say that this could be a good selling opportunity for US30. Smash the like button if you're new to the channel. Today this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. We do live trading, live analysis. If you have any question, then don't hesitate to ask me in the chat section. Zabir, US30, US 100 and US30 behaving almost the same way. All indices behave in the same way. So Nishu Bas said that, sir, what are we would expect from trading? Please reply, what are our return on investment? Okay, so it depends on Nishu, it depends on your trading strategy, your trading style, what you like to trade, or it depends completely person to person. Everybody has a different pattern. So it depends on you what you are trading. So let's say Usdjpy. You see, this is what I posted today. Usdjpy analysis looks like the price is doing exactly according to the analysis. Also USD. If USD managed to drop, okay, I think that we can take this 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio trade. Definitely. Now if you want to join our training program, this Forex Trading Wizard Academy, the link in the description, you're always free to join. Very good opportunity these days. And there is also two options now available. One is you can directly join, there is a discount going on, or you go to my free Telegram channel, there is an option to join. If you want to join for free, then there is option, okay, for specific people only. If you can follow that criteria, then you can join. So let's see CAD-JPY. Also, this is the situation with CAD-JPY. All this trade now we are running NZD-USD and CAD-JPY. So gold looks like, you see, gold may break down aggressively. Okay, this is what happened when gold breaks any kind of important level of support. Then we see that sometime gold breaks very aggressively, and if in case it creates a long wick candle, that's a different story. As you have seen, there is analysis, there is a video I have posted yesterday on gold, that how gold creates a long wick candle. Now this is a weekly. Why I came back to the gold is because there is weekly resistance here, okay, and if in case gold hit this 1853, it's all look like coming, and we might see a bounce from here. Okay, so let's see daily. We saw that there is a big breakout on gold. Let's find out 4 hour. Okay, so if we go to the 4 hour time frame on gold, what we see that gold now breaking down. Okay, so we might see a big breakout. Let's see what happened. We might see that it is now pushing down, and if you are looking at the lower time frame on the 15 minutes, so this is where it is. We saw that there is a breakout. I think that, let's see what happened. I think it will test this important level of support 1853, and from here, if we see that there is a long wick candle has been created on this lower time frame, then I will be buying gold. Okay, let's see how it creates a candle here. It's very important that how gold price action is creating, it will depend on how gold will move next. So these are the this is the session for today, and I think we are almost at the end of the session. Let me know if you have any question, if you enjoyed this section, and if you have any specific question. Let me know. Let me see if last thing, what can we predict Tesla? Kakulan, we'll discuss tomorrow Tesla, because I'm at the end of the session, so we'll discuss. Let's see, today I'm at the end of the session, so we are sticking to the currency pair. Tomorrow we'll discuss it. Are you You are a magician like you. MD Nazrul says thank you. MD Nazrul, I read it out. EA please. Yep, I'll EA Euro AUD. Okay, so Euro AUD. Let's see. I hope that you mean Euro AUD. So let's see Euro AUD. Okay, so first of all, if you go to the daily, so let's find out what's happening. Okay, looks like it is trying to create a bullish pattern, Euro AUD, because on the daily we already have a strong bullish candle, bullish engulfer. Today so far the price came down, okay, and now trying to create a bullish pattern. But let me see the 4 hour again. Okay, so 14 minutes remaining. It looks like it's a bullish pattern. Okay, let's see how this candle closes. Euro AUD looks like it created a false breakout here. It's a bullish pattern and we might see that Euro AUD is pushing up. Okay, so let's find out next, but looks like it's a bullish pattern. Okay, so we discussed quite a few pairs. Currently we are running some trade and let's see what they do, and I will update you soon. This is a live trading session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Thank you for joining this live trading session. Tomorrow, as I told you, this week there are some high impact news release, and during this news release I will be live streaming. As soon as I will find a trading opportunity, I will definitely discuss with you. You will be able to take the trade with us like the last one we did. Today so far I haven't found good trading opportunity, so USD CAD could be a good trade to buy. Okay, so anyone, okay, USD CAD is a good trade now, it's pushing up. Okay, so let me tell you how we can trade USD CAD. Keep in mind that this is not an investment advice, this is only for educational purpose. I'm not an investment advisor, I'm a trader. So USD CAD can be placed a pending order here. Let's say 121 could be a good trade on this one. Okay, so this is the trade that I think that can be traded. It is just for an educational purpose. Thank you for joining this live trading session. I'll see you tomorrow in the same time. So far, stay safe, trade well, manage your risk.